Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make stuffed banana puff pastry or param narthu. It's a good evening snack, even the kids will love it. So let's go for the ingredients. 1 cup of grated coconut, 4 plantain or ethica, puff pastry sheets, 2 tablespoon ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoon raisins, 2 tablespoon cashew nuts which I have broken it, 1 tablespoon of almond flakes, 3 tablespoon of jaggery or palm sugar, 1 egg. Now let's get started. I have kept a pan for heating. To this I'm going to add in the ghee. And then add the cashews. Keep the heat on a medium flame. And after the cashews are a little bit brown, we're going to add in the raisins and the almond flakes. Mix it well. Next we are going to add in the coconut. Once the coconut starts to brown, we are going to add in the jaggery and the cardamom powder and mix it well. After 2 minutes of sauteing on a medium flame, I'm going to turn off the stove and your stuffing is ready now. Our next step is we are going to peel the bananas and take out the seeds from inside. And then give a cut in the middle, and we are going to open it up. I'm going to use a spoon. Now I have split in the middle and taken out most of the seeds out. To this we are going to add in the stuffings. And I have stuffed the banana with the filling like this. I've taken the puff pastry sheet and then I'm going to slice it into small pieces. Now let's start covering it with the puff pastry. We are going to go on a spiral way here. Now I have finished putting on the pastry like this. Now I have put the pastry sheets on top of the bananas or the plantains. To this I'm going to do an egg wash. I've finished the egg wash. Now I'm going to put it inside the oven at 400 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, my pastry is well cooked. Now our delicious stuffed banana puff pastry is ready, or param narachadu. We're gonna garnish it with some icing sugar. And let's try it now. The puff pastry, it's so good, and the plantain or the banana inside with the stuffing, it's excellent. So if you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel, and also if you have any feedback, please post it on the comments, and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.